Hi folks, welcome to 100 kmph. Yes, we know we've been missing in action for a very long time, but here we are back in action starting a new range of series which we call 0 to 100 kmph, and no doubt it's going to be an exciting yet informative range of series in which we will be featuring rare beauties and hell of customized beasts, and we will share their feedback and feel as well. So today we are talking about a car, not just any car. It was used by a common man, a racer, and various political figures. If I tell you to take a pen and paper and draw a simple car, it would be an exact mirror image of what we are seeing right now. This car was also compared to the BMW 118. They built it simple yet elegant in its own way. Yes, we are talking about the Premier 118 NE, which was gone but also forgotten. Yes, but the owners haven't forgotten the feel, the charm, the aura of driving this vehicle, and we are damn sure the 80s, 90s kid have had the best memories with this car. So moving on with this beauty, hats off to Team Rap-On who have done an amazing job on this car, as this car was a big scrap back then. But there's a catch, my friend. Looking all at these aesthetic mods, custom mods, you might think the engine might be swapped. But it is the same old Nissan 1.2 petrol engine which it used to be back then. So it is our rear wheel drive 4-speed manual gearbox engine which pumps out 52 bhp power and 79 Nm torque. And now we all know you want to hear this beast and watch how it runs. Respecting the engine, we will not try to push the car beyond its current capabilities, as we all love engines, cars. So nonetheless, it was a beautiful drive and it still holds its charm to make you fall in love with it in its very first encounter. So we are really grateful to Team Rap-On who bought this beauty to us. If you want to customize your bikes and cars, do contact Team Rap-On. The links is in description. So that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed as much as we did. This is Team 100 kmph signing off. Ride hard, ride safe. May the horsepower be with you.